Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA, Cardano. With Cardano, we have two possibilities here at the moment, and they are both very carefully bullish. Always bear in mind what I say. There are really good charts out there at the moment. ADA isn't one of them, at least not yet, because the short-term price action is a bit, well, I don't want to say confusing. It's not very reliable, and that's the point. It's not very reliable. The move up here from that Friday's low on the 21st is not convincingly bullish, but I still counted it as bullish because you can count it as 5 waves, but it can easily be counted as a corrective wave pattern as well. We then came down in what I believe is an ABC pattern in a wave 2. And we've then seen a 5-wave move to the upside in a wave 1 of the wave 3 that could take us to 50 cents. And now we are holding a support area for a wave 2 of a wave 3. So again, the wave 3 has 5 waves in itself. And you've got your wave 1, you've got your wave 2. That's fine. And we can now move up in a wave 3 next. But provided that the support is holding, that means the 39.2 cent level needs to hold. A drop below that level will indicate that we're also going to break this low here at 38 cents. So that would invalidate the imminent bullish potential. So at the moment, if we assume a low was now already in, this could take us to 49.2 cents, the next wave, the third wave of the third wave. Now, a third wave of the third is normally super bullish, so it would need to really rally. What is a first indication that things are starting? Well, we need to make higher highs and higher lows. And I must be very honest with you. The move up at the moment is not very convincing yet. We don't really have 5 waves yet. But a move above that descending trend line would suggest that things are changing, that the trend is turning around, that we are moving back to the upside, and that we are in the third wave of the third. That could take us into that, 49 cent region, okay? So that is what we would need to do. We would need to break above that descending trend line. If that happens today, we would need to move above 41.3 cents. So we are nearly there, but we haven't broken it yet. What would be this is the first indication that things are changing. The next indication, and a very good confirmation actually, would be a break above the B wave high, so 42.7 cents. That is a significant swing high, and a move above a B wave high always indicates that things are changing. And then we have a confirmation if we go above the 43.8 cent level. That's really when we can confirm that we are in a third wave. Yeah, it will then not be impossible, but very unlikely that we're still coming down once more. But yeah, this is all probably going to work out as long as we are holding here that support level, the 39.2 cent level. Again, this is important because this is the 78.6% retracement level here at 39.2 cents. Yeah, so that's fine as long as we're holding that, and as long as we're holding the 78.6% fib level, the retracement. As long as that's the case, the 39.2 cent level, the wave 2 can hold, and we can move up in a wave 3. Should we go below this level? Should we do that? Yeah, and for me, it's already, if we make one more low, then we're already breaking this low. And the thing is, we can already count this as a 3-wave move, ABC. One more low will make it a 5-wave move down. So we really want to avoid at all costs here with ADA one more low. Yeah, it wouldn't be good. The point is, if we make one more low, it will increase massively the likelihood that we're also going to lose 39.2 cents. And if we lose that level, we're probably going to go into this support area. What is that area and why is it important? Well, this area is so relevant because it could very well be, while I think this here was the wave 2 already, it could also be that this was only an A wave, this here was a bit wave B, and we're coming down in a deeper wave C for this wave 2. That in fact this wave 2 is actually sitting over here, yeah? We don't know that yet. We won't know. We won't know until we really break above the wave 1 high here, because this would make that scenario that I just explained very unlikely. But it's all about cascading probability. Do we break out above that descending trend line? Do we break above that B wave high? And that will all make that deeper wave 2 unlikely. And all of that, you need to understand all of this, what I'm telling you here, in the context of markets are uncertain and The ADA chart is also uncertain. Again, there are very reliable charts at the moment, at least charts that are more reliable than ADA and that show a clearer pattern, because what I don't really like is this move to the upside. It doesn't really show a clear impulse. It's not great. Yeah, I rather count this as a diagonal pattern, and they are always a bit suspect. So yeah, it's not great. There are better charts out there, but of course this can be traded. But I gave you the key support and invalidation points. One more thing here, when we get into this deeper area, we must not go below 35.3 cents. Below that level, we are probably going to go below the low from the 21st of October, which is the 33-cent level. Yeah, and that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.